Hello, Namaskar. We are the student of class 8C. Today we represent our project. Its name is automatic table fan. So for more information, I will hand over the mic to my friend.
In this project, we use a fan, DC motor, wood, cardboards, jumper wires, Arduino programming language, Arduino programming software, ultrasonic sensor, motor driver, and a USB cable.